In this video, we're going to make the ball. I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side of my playing area and just click anywhere. Choose Create again. You want to make sure you are on the Game World layer down here at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and again click Create. For this, we're going to change the type to ball, and we'll name our object ball as well. We do want the ball to be movable. We don't need it to be affected by gravity, but again, if you change the gravity to 0 like you should have in the settings in an earlier video, it really doesn't matter if it's checked or not. We do want the ball to be solid. Now, something unique to the ball is we want to have bounce because we want it to bounce off the wall and bounce off the paddle. So I'm going to take this slider here and I'm going to change it. Now, for me, moving this slider was a little bit tricky at first, but for you, it might be better. I tried to click it and drag it around, and that didn't work for me. Instead, you have to click the slider and drag it up. So I'm clicking and dragging my mouse up to move the slider up. If I wanted to move it down, I just click and move my mouse down. Make sure your bounce is set as high as it can be, which is to 100. For the shape of the object, even though it's a square, we want it to behave like a circle, so we're going to leave the setting on circle. Next, we can click here to edit. You can use the same color as you did for your paddle, or you can use a totally different color. I'm feeling kind of girly right now, so I'm going to make my ball pink. Again, make sure your grid is slid all the way over to the right, so that you have a larger grid pattern, which makes it easier to color in. Once you're done, choose OK at the bottom left-hand corner, and then choose OK again. In the next video, we're going to create boundaries around the game so that our ball doesn't float off our playing area. So we're going to make sure we have some solid boundaries on the outside of our game area. See you in the next video.